Come on! Bowser is snoring again!
Someone needs to wake him up. It's shaking.
That's Bowser's voice.
How am I supposed to just sleep with all this noise? Come on, Dad. He's not waking up. What's going on?
Oh, come on, Bowser!
How am I going to wake up my dad? How did I not think of this? Mario and Luigi can wake him up. Hey guys, you know why I'm here. Only the two of you can wake my dad up. Your map to reach the castle is ready.
Come on, Mario, let's wake Bowser up.
Let's go then.
Here we go.
Oh, be careful, brother.
Everything is so huge, Mario.
If we don't wake Bowser up soon, we're gonna have an even bigger problem on our hands. Oh, a minigame. Awesome. Oh, it requires a little focus. Great.
Enough, Bowser!
Bowser is totally unpredictable, guys. There's no telling when or how he's gonna cause trouble. Hey, look at those. The biggest Goombas I've ever seen. The trees are the same way. Am I the only small one here? Haha. Bowser's snoring can be heard all the way out here. Let me change this. The water is too deep, and it feels like someone else is here.
Mario!
Hey, watch out! Look at this!
Fireflies never fail, guys. Watch the darkness turn into light. Okay, I prefer the door on the left. Oh, another minigame already? Let's win this one too. I guess it's going to get harder and harder. I need to be careful. Come on, I almost fell. Where does this pipe lead? We'll find out.
It's time to visit the princess. Hello, guys.
Hey, hold on. Where do you think you're going?
It's okay, Toad. I was waiting for you too.
It's coming! Why can't I swim fast? I need to catch my breath. What do we have here? Oh, wow! Look at this! Everything is so big! Amazing! Awesome! I wish I could go to Bowser like this. He would regret ever waking up. Yes, I can move on to the next game.
We're coming, Bowser! It's going to get a little hot.
It might be a little spooky.
I better not go this way. Oh no, it's rolling! Go, go, go!
Oh, no!
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
Hey, look, Waluigi! We have a guest!
Run, Mario, run! Wait a minute, where are we running to anyway?
Oh no, this can't be. I must be having a nightmare.
Come on, Mario. It's really hurtful for you to think that way. Hey, Waluigi, I'm so tired, man. I can't keep going anymore.
I'm running.
Oh, come on.
Huh, luckily I brought the flashlight with me.
Hello, Luigi.
Oh, come on! Why does this always happen to me? And I can't turn back now! Continuing from the upper floor, an escalator! But this one is reversed too. I hate ghost houses! Bowser hasn't been snoring for a while. Ah, the silence is wonderful. Maybe this house is soundproof. Could that be it? It's too quiet.
It's just you and me left, Waluigi. Then that huge rock chasing us.
I still don't understand how you got here, Mario.
Oh, please, I need to get out of here as soon as possible. Ah, finally, I'm heading to Bowser's castle.
Whoa, I see the flag. Hey, you scared me, man. Pull your tongue back. Ha! Another one. Oh, come on! A fake flag! This has to be real. I'm coming, Bowser!
I tried to open his door so many times, but he doesn't hear me. And that's exactly how it happened, Princess.
Don't worry, Mario and Luigi will definitely wake him up.
I hope they can.
Otherwise, sleeping with this noise will be impossible.
Here we go.
We did it, brother. Let's go wake up Bowser.
Did you hear it too? I guess we managed to wake him up.
Mario, run!
Oops!
All right, Mario.
This is not good at all.
How dare you enter my castle?
Ah, and you're even asking. Because of you, the entire Mushroom Kingdom can't sleep, man. Luigi, I can't get rid of him this way. You have to help me.
Don't worry, bro. I'm going to end this for good. All right, I have a great plan in mind. I hope it works. Which one was it in? I think I remember. Let's go and get it. Not here, not here either. Okay, this is definitely not it. It's definitely here. I need to hurry. Mario is all alone right now. Ah, this place is sinking. It's so hard to walk.
Wendy, where did you even come from?
At the end of a sleepless day, now I see you too. It couldn't have been worse.
Oh, come on. I only have one life left. Luigi, you need to hurry, brother. This place is getting totally messy.
You should have thought about that before waking me up, Mario. You asked for this.
Ah, if you only knew how you snore, Bowser.
Ah, I finally made it to the top. Which way? Ah, this way. Get ready, brother. We'll be rid of Bowser once and for all in a moment. The Super Mario Brothers always find a way, Bowser. Remember that. It's almost finished. Whoa, here it comes!
Whoa, you're amazing, Luigi.
Oh no.
Yes, Bowser. Now have a good sleep in the middle of the lava, my friend. Oh, I love surprises. Great, a bunch of mushrooms just in time.
You did it, guys! You were amazing!
Finally, we can get some restful sleep.
The Mushroom Kingdom can finally sleep peacefully now. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe